Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. So in this video, we are going to talk about characteristics of a cell. So how cell treats different types of data that we enter into it and how a data looks like when that data is entered in a particular cell. So let's begin. So we have different types of data. So data as data, character in the sense we can write anything like text, or we can write any word, or we can write any sentence into it. So all of that kind of data comes into our text data or character data. Then comes the numerical data. There are integers, there are floating points, that there are different kinds of numerical data into it. So we can write any number. So how that number looks like when it is entered into a cell, or data like boolean data in the sense true or false values. So if any condition is true, then that kind of data. Or we can write any error kind of data. So error like division by zero error data. So let us discuss them one by one and how Excel treats all of these data when we enter this kind of data into a cell. So here I have selected one cell, and if I type my first kind of data, which is text data or character data. So let's say I am just going to write any text here. So if I press enter now, you will be able to see that this text data is aligned to the left hand side inside a cell, inside this particular cell. So this means whenever any type of data is aligned to the left hand side of the cell, when we enter that data into it, so that means that this kind of data is the text or the character data. So not even the text, we can write anything into it. So let's say coders and then say arcade. So all of this text like rain, all of these texts are aligned to the left hand side of the cell, inside a cell. So all of these data comes under text or the character data. So whenever a particular data is aligned to the left hand side in a cell, then this means that that kind of data is the character data. So what Excel does is Excel aligns the character data to the left hand side inside the cell. So this way we will be knowing that this kind of data is the text data. Now let's move on to the other type of data, which is the numerical data. So here is the numerical data. So if I press enter, so now inside the numerical data, if I give any number like 10, and if I press enter, you will see that this data here is aligned to the right hand side of the cell. So any data that is numerical data will be aligned to the right hand side of the cell when that data is entered in the cell. So this way you will get to know that this data is the numerical data. And Excel always align the numerical data to the right hand side. So you now not even the integer data, you can write any decimal data or any floating point data onto it. All of these numerical data will be aligned to the right hand side of the cell, inside a cell. Now let's move on to the other kind of data, which is the Boolean data. So now this Boolean data such as true and false. So if I write here, let's say true, and if I press enter, now this true will be aligned in the middle of the cell. Inside a cell, it will be aligned in the middle. So this way you will get to know that this is a Boolean value. So this is the Boolean data type. Now same applies with the false. If I press enter, you see this false also will get aligned in the middle. So just because this true and false is the Boolean values, these Boolean values will get aligned in the middle of the cell. So this way you will get to know that these two values are the Boolean values. And always Excel aligns all the Boolean values in the middle of the cell. Now let's move on to the error or errors. So errors like division by 0. So if I write here, we'll write 1 divided by 0. So for that we need to write first type equals. Now this equal sign will let the Excel know that you are about to write a formula onto it. So it will treat like a mathematical formula. So equals and then 1 divided by 0. And if I press enter, see, this will give me a error sign. So hash div divided by 0 and exclamation. This means that this is a division by 0 error. So if you click onto this, inside the exclamation mark, this exclamation mark will come. And if you press onto this, it will say divide by 0 error. So this way you will get to know that this is a what kind of error it is, and now this error will also get aligned in the middle of the cell, and error will always start from this hashtag. So this way you will get to know that this is a error. So these are the 4 kinds of data that I wanted to discuss with you about how a cell differentiates the different kind of data when we enter any kind of data in a particular cell. So this is all about this video. I'll catch you in the next video. So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, then tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, then post them in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear those doubts. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we post our new video. Thank you. Happy learning.